If you are looking at the crypto market and you're serious about next 2 to 5 weeks of price action in the crypto market, you don't want to miss this short video. MACD is starting to show you positive moves in Bitcoin, and that's on a daily. You go on to gold and you watch that it's breaking through the all-time highs. MACD is crossing back up. RSI is above 70 on the weekly. So there is something happening on the other end, which is the economical cycle, which is the global liquidity showing you which direction we're going. Historically speaking, what we have seen is that we bottom with it and then ride higher. Welcome to the Scientific Investor family, where the normal retail guys get to learn how to become the next top 10% of this world. We in the SI family go through all of these assets at the right time so that you know how things evolve, whether that's on a micro, whether that's on a macro. We talked you through these opportunities. And if you're watching these, you already know, yeah, there was a call like this, and in a month, you are already about to hit the target. Whether that's H&T, whether that's Velo, you're watching different assets starting to look like they're about to take the next leg higher. Watch Bitcoin. It kind of gives you an idea which direction the crypto market is moving. Now, the easy part here is to look through the details. Let's actually remove all these lines, make it simple. Now, if you're watching, say, a 3-day chart, the market is already giving you the idea that it is forming higher lows. Yes, there was a long wick to the downside, but watch the candle close. Because if you avoid noise in this market, this is exactly what you see. A rounded bottom pattern coming in, where your roof is going to be somewhat close to 67,500. So you remove the volume and you're like, okay, fine, that's the price action. But then you want to combine the volume too. So when you do combine the volume with the price action, it's very much interesting. What does that mean? Look at the buying volume. The volume here in Bitcoin on a 3-day chart for buying is half of what it was for the last selling candle. Still, the price has already engulfed the last candle. That shows sellers are stepping out. They understand the fact that if they stay further, they're gonna get eaten by this market. Most likely close to $65,000. Yeah, that would still be a lower high. We would like to see this range break to the upside. 67, 68, if you do see that breaking, great. Especially if you break 70, now you're putting in a local swing high, which means the market has changed its direction. On a micro, you're already observing the fact that the market has changed its direction. So that's for Bitcoin, that's for XRP, and a lot of other assets. But for Ether, there is a catch. You broke to the downside, you retested, and you're slowly getting rejected. That's not a positive sign, and you don't have a bullish divergence. Remember, this is while a lot of other assets in this market are showing you a bullish divergence. It's literally showing you massive opportunities in this market. And that's one of the reasons why we go through in detail for all those assets. If you like to join the 1,200 plus members, use the link in the description below to reach the SI family, where we go through the one-on-one sessions, give you guys all the charts. Now, take a look at XRP. You're watching, it's performing way better than Ether. It's kind of following Bitcoin, but it is giving you more momentum than Bitcoin. Yeah, it's true, we didn't do much while Bitcoin rode all the way from 15,000 to 75. But right now we're trying to follow that. Right now, the price action is showing you there was a reversal signal on XRP using a 3-day chart. It bursted higher. Back in July, early July, you got this. And then you continued rallying to the upside till 0.65. Next candle formation is early August. It shows you a bullish engulfing candle, again showing you a higher odd format for bullish narrative. Then you are getting very limited corrective legs here or a pullback, and you're directly starting to form a bullish candle. Meaning the price action to the volume, you look at that, it's exactly similar to what Bitcoin was showing you. Half of the buying volume is coming here compared to the last candle, but then the price action is almost covering the last candle. XRP is starting to turn bullish. Bitcoin is starting to turn bullish. Total crypto market. See, we are all interested in a lot of altcoins. We exclude Ether from this, and you look at the market and you're watching, whoa, that's a lot of opportunities in front of me. When this chart breaks higher, make sure you are riding few assets. Make sure you are riding the assets which showed you bullish divergence, because the market as a whole for altcoins was showing you the bullish divergence. If you are in them, ride them. Next 2 months, 3 months, it's going to be great. 6 months from now, 12 months from now, when you look back, this is going to be an important time and decision which you'll be making. And that's why we say be a part of the SI family. And if you're thinking about it, go through the crypto market. Look at how many assets you are interested in and how many assets you have in your portfolio. The sheer volume of total number of assets here to go through to find an opportunity, it's too much. But then you have help. But if you are learning the TA on the right channel here, most likely you're putting your own effort to come out with opportunities. That's perfect. That's how you do it. The trouble is, just it takes some time. And while you find the next higher low towards the next most likely lower high, we're looking for the next trend wavy break to the upside. Can we do it? We don't know, but the odds are tilting towards that direction. The daily is showing you I'm interested in running back up. The 3-day is arguing the same point. Then you jump on to the weekly, which is showing you, yeah, I got a hammer, I got an inverted hammer, and I'm going back up. So the range is clear. You're about to run higher. So guys, if you received value from this short clip, smash that like button for me. I'll meet you guys on the next video. Bye for now.